and never tell. Kiss and never tell. We're going to start off with 2 regular kaholos. 1 hand kaholo. Your hand's going to come in the front of your boob and to the side. So it's going to go kaholo and open, kaholo. 2 more do. Kaholo and open, stop right there. From the left hip, we're going to do the hands. From the left hip. You want me to come this way? Is that better? Or the other way? I'll go this way, then I'll turn around. From the left hip, open it. Then reach out and cross. Okay, kaholos. There are 2 kaholos. We'll take from here. 2 more.
Oh, yeah.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach and cross. Stop. Forward kaholo, lift up. Lift, 2, 3. It's a kaholo, so it's the same thing. 3 steps in a hold. Right foot. 1, 2, 3. Hold. You're going to do a left YYO. Right hand, left hand is going to stay there. Right's going to open. Left foot, half of a kalakaua, forward and back. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. Again. Ready? From the hip. Now from here. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Up and reach forward. 1, 2, 3, YYO. Okay, again. Meet your right kaholo forward. The feet are going to go 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. That foot's got to work because you're holding it. Step forward on that. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. So let's try the hands and I'm going back again.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, reach it out, reach right foot forward. 1, 2, hold the, open the left, hold. There you go, again. 4, right foot. Forward, 2, 3, hold. Left foot's going to go forward. Y, Y, O, N. You're going to go mouth and out, a kaholo, and you're going to dip on your first step to give you a little bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Touch this hand and open it. Kaholo to the left. Open. 2, 3, 4. You're going to kiss and you're going to do a figure 8. Your hips are going to go right, left. Right and left. You're going to turn diagonal here. This hand's going to come across. You're going to on your right and you're going to say no, no. Right and right. It's got to be right first time. Take it from the forward kaholo. Ready? Where are we here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Y, Y, O. A dip. Dip. 2, 3, 4. Touch and open figure 8. Kiss and never right. Right kaholo. 1 and 2. Questions? Let me